Start your day with this refreshing juice on an empty stomach. Provide a solid foundation not just for skin, but for overall health as well. This powerful drink is loaded with anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs to stay hydrated, youthful and glowing from within. Welcome everyone to another knowledge video. Whether you're new to the channel or a return subscriber, thank you for being here today. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on more health boosting tips. Now, let's dive into skin nourish body detoxing. Juicy recipe that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Your first ingredient is carrot, one of the most underrated build foods out there. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a compound that not only gives the signature orange color, but also converts into vitamin A in your body. This is essential for keeping your skin firm, elastic, and healthy. But what makes carrots so special is their ability to work from the inside out, taking a range of skin concerns such as dryness, dullness, and even the appearance of scars. They are packed with potassium, which helps to keep your skin hydrated and prevent it from looking flaky or rude. Drinking carrot juice regularly also aids in reducing the appearance of blemishes and scars. Its antioxidant properties protect the skin from environmental damage, like sun exposure. Did you know that beta-carotene is known as sun-friendly nutrient? It acts as a natural defense against harmful UV rays, repairing skin tissues and boosting your skin resilience to the sun. Another reason to include carrot in drink is their ability to promote even skin tone. When your skin is hydrated and nourished from inside, it starts to glow naturally. With regular consumption, you will notice fewer signs of stress and aging on your face, less puffiness, fewer fine lines, and smoother complexion. Next, we have cucumber, which is particularly synonymous with skincare. Cucumber are about 96% water, making them one of the most hydrating vegetables you can consume. Hydration is key with can maintain soft, glowing skin. But cucumber do more than just hydrate. They are also loaded with silica, a mineral that strengthens connective tissue and provides your skin with a sun glow. What I love most about cucumber is the anti-inflammatory properties. If you suffer from puffiness, redness, or irritation, cucumber juice can help shoot your skin and reduce inflammation. The vitamins A and C in cucumber also helps fight signs of aging by preventing damage from free radicals, which are molecules that cause oxidative stress and contribute to the formation of wrinkles. Cucumber are also great for balancing oil production, so if you have oil skin, drinking cucumber juice regularly can help regulate that shine. So, whether your skin is dry or oily, cucumber juice can help bring balance and hydration to your complexion. No glowing skin recipe would be complete without a good dose of range. One of the richest sources of vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps to keep your skin firm and smooth. Over time, your body naturally produces less collagen, leading to fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. But by drinking orange juice regularly, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to maintain youthful elasticity and smooth through any existing sign of aging. Another benefit of orange juice is its ability to combat pigmentation. Orange juice also has a natural acid quality that helps to control acne by reducing excess oil in the skin. But the benefits of orange don't stop there. They are also packed with antioxidants, which help protect your skin from free radicals and environmental damage. By drinking orange juice regularly, you can brighten your skin, reduce redness, and protect your skin from further damage. If you suffer from dark circle, blemishing, or dry patches, beetroot juice can help shelter and hydrate your skin from wetting. One of the most remarkable benefits of beetroot is its ability to detox your body. Beetroot juice helps flush your toxins and purify your blood, which then gives your skin an instant glow. When your body is free from toxins, it reflects on your skin fewer breakouts, less dullness, and overall radiant appearance. Beetroot also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and swelling caused by acne. So, if you're someone who deals with sensitive skin or inflammation, this is one ingredient you definitely want to incorporate into your routine. Your next ingredient is ginger, another potent superfood with incredible benefits for both your skin and overall health. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that fight off free radicals, those harmful molecules that cause premature aging and wrinkles. By reducing oxidative stress, ginger helps keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Ginger also has natural antiseptic properties, which help purify your skin and reduce the appearance of pores. It is particularly useful for those with oily skin, as it helps control oil production while leaving your skin looking clear and smooth. And if you struggle with an uneven skin tone, ginger can help with hair too. Its ability to boost circulation helps even your oil complexion and give you a natural healthy glow. Finally, we'll be adding lemon to this powerful juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, making them one of the best natural remedies for brightening the skin and reducing dark spots. The citric acid in lemons helps exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion underneath. Lemon juice also great for balance the skin pH levels, which can help reduce acne and control oil. Its astringent properties makes effective in tightening pores and reduce excess shine. Plus, lemons contain ascorbic acid, which is known for its ability to restore collagen, make your skin look younger and more vibrant. Once you have gathered our ingredients, it's time to juice them. You can use juicer or blender and it works perfectly fine. If you're using a blender, you might need to strain the juice to remove the pulp. This juice can be stored in an airtight container in fridge for up to 3 days. Make sure to drink this on empty stomach first thing in the morning. This allows your body to absorb all the nutrients effectively, helping to detox your skin and body from the inside out. By drinking this juice regularly, you'll notice significant improvements in your skin texture, hydration, and glow. This juice also safe for everyone to drink, including pregnant and breastfeeding women. It's a fantastic way to nourish your body and skin, regardless of your age or lifestyle. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching and see you next time.